Silent. Well, a vibe in here. Yeah. It's island. What? Wagwan, beautiful people. Welcome back to Island Boy After Kite channel. Yesterday. Alright guys, so you guys see me there. I have my fishing rod here. Yeah, so today going fishing. I haven't done this in a long while. The last time I went fishing was when I was in Fiji. Yeah, and that's like what, 2 months ago now? Something like so. Yeah, so today I'm here at my normal spot that I always fish, but look at it. The weather don't look good at all. The tide is low, the waves them really big. So I don't know what today is gonna be like. But I have lure to try, the ones that I brought to Fiji, and I also have some prawns with me, which is shrimp. Yeah, so I'm gonna try guys and see if it turn out to be a good day, then you know, give thanks for that. But if not, you guys will understand why. Because the weather is not the best. And also another thing guys, since I started doing rod fishing, there's one thing I've always wanted to do, and that is to catch a fish on a lure, right? I catch fish on live bait, catch fish on prawns and fish bait and all that, but I've never actually caught a fish on a lure, you know what I mean? So that's also a mission of mine I would love to accomplish, is to catch a fish on a lure. So I'm gonna try that today, you know, whether it be today or another time, but I hope to catch something on a lure. You see me? Never gotten something pick up or anything, so yeah guys, pray for me catch some. Alright, that's gonna be a mission. I'll be using this lure, which is the first one I brandished when I was in Fiji, and as I said, I got recommended these lures to fish with in Fiji. Yeah, because I bought them in Australia, but I got recommended to fish with them in Fiji. Yeah, so I'm gonna try them out here, test them in the water. First time I tried them in Australia, so let's go. Alright, so here we go in the rough sea right now. If we don't go too far out, you know. Oh, the splash so early in the morning. Oh shit! Oh shit! I forgot. First cast, I'm gonna even fly the bill. Swear me no remember up fishing. Alright, it drop out there now. Lure fishing guys. Oh no, I'm gonna get splashed with these big waves. There's people over there surfing those big waves. My bite, show me some kind of sign. Holy shit, we have boxed in my line. Can't afford to lose a lure, you know. There we go. So that's enough of lure fishing for me. Let's go to my prawns, because that me used to. Set up with my prawn bait, you know. I go chew off, you see me? Only thing I'm worried about is getting stuck a lot. You know, I have to rig up every time. That's kind of annoying. But yeah, let's see. Wish me luck same way, you know. Hopefully I catch something to go home with, cook for dinner. That would be nice. First cast. Don't feel any bite yet. The waves are really like pushing the line as well. But the waves them really drag the line. Probably gonna get my lines. Should even mention it. First cast and the line stuck already. That's not a good sign. That is not a good sign. Don't even feel a bite yet. The waves them really powerful, guys, and they can easily well just push the line to any rock and just get it under. Whoa, shoot! Wet up my hole of myself. Ah, it pull to it. Come up. Oi. Come here. Nobody stuck again. Please, nobody with that. Woo! Oi. Father, give thanks, I swear. The line did stuck at first cast, guys, and it pull. It free up. Give thanks, yo. Ah, that was disappointing, but we overcome. I could go again. Second official cast. Loading. Come on, you know. Give me a sign. Ah, got a bite. Oh, did it got? No, it's still on. I got a fish on, guys. I have a fish on. First bite. Come on. Where are you? No, don't tell me it's stuck. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a brim. Oh, nice brim. Come up. My sinker stuck now. No, not do me that. The fish is on, but the sinker got stuck. Oh, it's free. Move before them wave ya. Oi. First fish, guys. Nice brim. Yes, Father, great. Give thanks. You greet me well. It's been a long time since my father here, so you know. Give thanks. I'll show you guys. Take out the hook. Woo! Yeah, no. Look at that size. Nice one, guys. Hope you guys can see him well. Wow. Give thanks. Let's search for a couple more. We could go for the second fish now. So I go on. Oh, that's it. Alright, I'm feeling bite. Ready up. Oh no! Boy, get wet. I use a big piece of shrimp head here. See what can happen. Watch your style here. Radio. I have to go home with dinner today, you know. I get some little pick. Till I stuck, you got stuck. Where the rat in this? The place I want weird. Especially when the sea is rough like this. Give me a hard time, yo. Burst again. Didn't even get any time to fish. This is expected at this place though, like I'm too used to it by now. So me up already again, guys. And I don't know what to expect, so I'm not gonna talk too fast. I don't want to say nothing again, you see me? Let's just see what happens. Oh shit! The soak. The soak to rotted. Burst again, guys. That's what it's like when you're fighting against the nature, you know? Nature of the ocean. Oh yes. Oh no. Oh, it's still on. Walk on. Oh, the fish is still on. It's another brim, guys. Look at that. Another brim. Second fish of the morning. Oh, and it got off. There it is. Brim. The waves them getting bigger and more unexpected. I almost lose all of my prawn them. I don't know if you guys can see how my clothes soak right now through the block, but a big wave just come a while ago the moment I cast out the line and it just soaked the whole of my clothes. But not too bad still because the day is not that cold. Yeah man. So make we go again. Oh shit! I got soaked again. Serious? Good thing I don't have my phone or anything on me, guys. I'm literally fully soaked. Guys think I'm joking? Look at this. You know what? I don't have my clothes. What's that? Go right up to my shirt. Watch out. Fully soaked, guys. It's been really slow. Been losing all my hooks and sinker to the point where I didn't even feel like filming anymore. Lost energy. But here I am again. The waves them gigantic. Oh! Almost got soaked again. Cheese and peas, and look at that. Line stuck again. It's just natural to happen. Alright. Oh, it's free, it's free. Oh, let's see if we can bring it up. Oh, it made it. Oh, I think I got a fish. Or no? No, don't tell me I lost it. Sure. Oh, it's still on. Ah, it's this ugly fish here. Guess what, guys? I have caught something. You know, for my first live, I catch something. Not what I want anyway. But here it is. Here it is, guys. Yeah, you guys have seen me caught this kind of fish before. We call it the ugly fish. Yeah, and I saw one comment before asked me if I don't eat it. You know, but I tried it once and trust me, it wasn't good at all. It was very rubbery and it just don't taste good. So yeah, now let me just throw them back. Yeah, man. So I don't know the real name for them in Australia though, but yeah, gotta throw it back anyway, guys. Here it is. See, Babes is here. All right, so I might end the live here. Just gonna pack up. All right, guys. Throw this one back. Oh no. There we go.